Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about Appriss Retail's Returns and Claims Shopify app. I'm going to talk about how the app works and show you how to install it. So let's talk about how it works. This app integrates your Shopify store with Appriss Retail's Engage platform for real-time returns and claims authorizations. Installing the app from the Shopify App Store enables various different data feeds to support Engage in making a real-time decision. This includes various different reference data feeds such as products, locations, customers and staff members, and most importantly, a real-time feed orders as they are created and updated. All of this data is then transformed into our Appriss Retail data model and stored within the Appriss Retail Data Cloud, enabling Engage to make informed AI-driven real-time decisions. Data from your Shopify POS will also flow to your Shopify store and through to the Appriss Retail Data Cloud. Then, from within inside your POS system, you can start getting real-time return decisions from the Engage platform. This could be an approval to allow the return to take place, a warning, or a denial. The integration also supports decisions about products that were purchased online but are being returned in store. Now, let's go through how to install the app in your Shopify store. From the App Store, search for Appriss and then choose the Returns and Claims app. Click Install, and if you're happy with the permissions, click Install again. Now you can choose a shop region and then click Register Webhooks. And that's the app installed in your shop. It's as simple as that. Now let's take a quick look at how to install the Returns button on your point of sale. Within your Shopify POS app, you can now click Add Tile. From here, just click App and then choose the Appriss Returns and Claims app. Now tap on Add and finally tap Save. And now, if you haven't already, it's time to get in touch and start setting up Engage with us and begin protecting your returns and claims.